You guys excited to go into the chocolate factory?
We're excited to eat the yummy chocolates. It's actually be better inside now, isn't it? Oh yeah.
Welcome to the Maison Cahier.
And it says La Chocolatière Suisse. Here we go. We're going into Cahier Chocolate Factory. Oh no. The way it works is if you have a family supercard, which is from the co-op, you get 20% off. The kids are free with the adults, and it's about $12 to enter in. So pretty good price for what you're gonna get value-wise. So let's go. We have our number 45 to go in. Here's all the chocolate, guys. Look at this. Like rows and rows and rows of chocolate. You can get chocolates that look like trains. Oh, look at this. Is in Switzerland they have a brand of crayons that are called Caron d'Ache. So I think they made like chocolates to be like, oh no, they're actual Caron d'Ache. Look at that. They're very expensive crayons, but what's really cool about this, we'll have to show you a video on it, is when you use these crayons, you can use water and it turns into like water paint crayons, which is cool. There we go, more chocolate, and then there you've got like a whole wall of chocolate. This is gonna be my favorite part of the tour. At the very end, they have all these chocolates on display, and you can try every single one. Are you excited? Smarties? Is that new?
Smarties chocolate. No, it's old.
Oh.
It's 2 francs. I can buy it with my money.
This is what we always get. And look, they have them on sale. They're 40% off. This is the... isn't that a good price? You get the original branch chocolates. You put those in a croissant. This morning, what did we have, girls?
Crepes.
Crepes. And what did we put in our crepes?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. This morning we had this kind of chocolate here.
All of us put chocolate.
We put in the dark chocolate in our crepes this morning. This is kind of what it's going to look like when we're inside, and then you can sample every single one. Angelique, are you trying to reach in for them? Oh, okay.
We just did something like, for example, where it asks a question. Yeah, like a quiz. Class A or B.
See, a chocolate quiz. How'd you guys make out?
Well, we only did it like towards the end, so we didn't get to do anything.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It says we are departing like a plane.
Let's take off. So, thank you so much. Okay, you will need for the second.
Is this a scary ride, or what do you think it is?
Did you know that Switzerland consumes more chocolate than any other country? Carried out into the ocean on a raft. I will return, he called to the people, and disappeared. To find yellow gold, but he returned with brown gold in the form of cocoa and the ingredients for a drink that was brand new to Europe, chocolate. Was one of the first to try the new drink. Interesting, I'm rather taken with this drink. but a little sugar wouldn't hurt. Now, there was nothing to stop chocolate from spreading throughout Europe. The ladies and gentlemen of society like to drink a cup of hot chocolate with musk, ambergris, and jasmine before and after an assignation. Until the 19th century, nobody thought of Switzerland when they heard the word chocolate. It was the Swiss who created real chocolate from the crumbling mass.
So here, this is a room where you can go and scan and listen to every single thing. The history, where they get the chocolate from, where the farms are from. Go ahead. And here you can smell and touch the different beans. Smells good. Does it smell good, Angelique?
What's that?
What's this?
I'm gonna scan mine.
Let's see what it says.
Cocoa butter.
Let's
Smell it.
smell it. What is that?
Taste it. Taste.
What is it?
You can eat that.
Yeah, it says taste.
You're supposed to chew it, just lick it.
I don't know. I think you're supposed to chew it. What does it taste like, girls?
Close.
It's not good? Is it gross?
It's okay.
I'm glad you guys tasted it for me. I'm still going to taste it. Let's see. It's probably bitter. Siobhan, did you taste this? Oh, she's tasting that. Is it good? Did you try this one here? Yeah? Bitter?
I don't have nuts, so it's clear the palate a bit.
Those. Try those nuts.
Okay, give me a couple.
Nuts.
Here's the Swiss farmer named Vincent. Okay, so these are the branch chocolates. You see that whole line? That's all branch chocolate.
It is, Mom.
What does it say?
600,000 liters of fresh milk per month.
Wow, that's a lot. So branches are like iconic to Cahiers.
Then they cut it. And then it takes
This is a small machine,
it too long.
and it's a little bit slower, but you can see what happens in the main one. It's a lot faster and a lot bigger. And then once it goes through here, it dips it in this yummy chocolate here with like
Kind of
nuts.
nut.
And then these are mini versions. Usually they come out like double or more the size of that. And then they look very small. They're taste testing size. Here they are drying. And here we're going to be able to get some at the end. That's why the girls are rushing, because they know what they're going to get. Now what's happening there?
Watch this.
Oh, look at it. So the robot that grabs them. How come it stopped?
She stopped it.
She stopped it? Here it goes. Look at how fast it goes.
Oh, wow.
I need one of those for picking up the messies around my house.
They only keep the good ones, the rest they go back.
Colors don't change the taste at all, but you see you have blue, green, red, and they're all the exact same chocolate, but just different packages. And here we can taste these. All right, so you got your sample.
No, wait for eat these.
Let's see Siobhan's look when she eats it. Let's see what you think when you taste it.
Can I taste it?
Apparently there's a way to do it. So you're supposed to smell it first.
Okay.
I think. Kind of like wine. It's kind of like wine. Smell it, and then, I don't know, put it in your mouth and let it melt. Here is where you can come and taste all the chocolate. You have like a whole degustation section, and you get to try like the different samples. And one tip you might want to do is bring a bottle of water, because after trying all these chocolates, you definitely are very thirsty. But this is my favorite part of the whole tour, of course.
I like white chocolate the most.
You like white chocolate the most?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah? White and
So tell me the kinds that they have here, girls.
Yeah, what kinds do they have?
I don't like white chocolate. I'm gonna save my room in my mouth and for the real
White
stuff.
chocolate. I think this one is almond milk.
You guys gonna taste any?
You want to taste that one?
I'm gonna taste this one. What's this one? It looks like, oh, it has nuts. It tells you what's inside right here. So here it has nuts. So you got one of each. You already went to the end. All right.
Eat this.
This one's really good. One second.
Show me, Julia. The caramel one. This is a new one, right? Is it new?
Yeah, I think
C'est nouveau celui-là? Did you try this?
No, I haven't tried that one yet.
So good.
Is it?
Sorry, this one? You put the dark version or the light version?
Let me see it.
It's got caramel in it.
Is it from here?
This one's
Yeah.
dark, the light one's over there.
That's the light.
And then this one's really good. It's crema. That one's just yummy. And then there you've got coffee. Coffee ones. Okay, I'll try one of these. Really good. It's so good. Now I'm thirsty. Basically in there you see kids taking cooking classes on how to make chocolate.
As long as they're just picking them all, can you imagine?
No.
Which one? This one?
Look up a little bit. Look up. Look up, Chloe. That's hilarious.
Oh, it looks so cute. No, you guys look.
Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Like this.
You look bald, Mommy.
And if I tilt my head like this, is that better?
Yeah, that's perfect.
With the camera ready?
Look up. Look up.
It looks so good. Go forward a bit, Julia. There you go. That's hilarious.
Oh my goodness.
So we got 15 out of 20.
Good job, Chloe.
5 wrong.
5 wrong. Julia.
You have to wait. You have to wait. Now.
Oh, well done.
You're 18.
2 wrong.
Good job. Okay. Oh, so like 15. Oh, same like Chloe.
Yeah. No, but I get 16 because I get an extra one.
Are you guys buying some chocolate?
Hi, I'm Angelique. We're doing a contest. Okay. And then the person who wins it will get a chocolate bar exclusively from Switzerland. And the question is, most people eat, like, what do they start with? The bunny, for a chocolate bunny, do they start with the bunny ears or the bunny feet? Okay?
Okay, and what do they need to do? They need to comment below the answer.
On YouTube or Instagram, the answer, and one of our YouTube videos is something like that, and
We'll post
send,
the answer.
yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll send the chocolate.
Okay, and it's going to be Caille chocolate, all the way from the Caille chocolate factory in Switzerland. Thanks for watching. So up there in the distance, that's the little medieval town of Gruyère, where Gruyère chocolate, I was going to say Gruyère chocolate, Gruyère cheese is from. So we are on our way up to go see. It has an old, does it have a city wall around it? Yeah, right?
That's it.
That's Gruyère still there. Yeah, we'll see. Sometimes if there's like not a festivity or something going on, you can park like little things. You just go down. I don't know if you've ever been.
Like, remember that time we walked all the way up the mountain and then we realized there was a parking spot right at the very top?
I got one. Once you've done the Maison Caillé, then you would come to La Maison de Gruyère and you would come and do the cheese tour where they would talk about all the cheese of Gruyère. And something that's really cool about this cheese is that since 1115 they've been making it. What's amazing though about it, do you know what they say about the cows?
What do they say?
Well, the reason why their milk is different and why you get the taste of Gruyère is because the cows go up in the surrounding mountains and they eat all the flowers and the herbs from the mountains.
Oh.
And so the milk is actually a different taste.
Because of what they're eating.
And that's why Gruyère only comes from Gruyère. It doesn't come from anywhere else in the world other than here.
So it's copyright.
Yeah, it's kind of like copyrighted because of the mountains. So here to go for a tour. I'm not sure the pricing. You'd have to look up online. Oh, there it is up there. So 7 francs for an adult. And I don't know if you can see it. 7 francs for an adult. And a family pass, like 12. Students are 6. So it's really reasonable. What they do is they rotate the cheese. They said that robots can't really take the job because they talk to the cheese and when you talk to it, because cheese is alive, it's alive, how do we call it, culture, it changes the consistency of it. So to have a robot come and just rotate the cheese, you don't get the same taste. And that's something that cheesemakers here know in Switzerland. So here's the Gruyère cheese here. Another really yummy cheese is called Appenzeller. That big one. This cheese is really cool here. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is tête de moine. Here it's called tête de moine, which is a moine is like a monk, so the head of a monk. And when you shave it like this with this little thing, it makes like a flower, and it tastes so good. Welcome to Gruyère, home of Gruyère cheese. This is a tiny medieval town of Gruyère in Switzerland, in the canton of Vaud. It's about 20 minutes or so from Lake Geneva. So very short trip if you're on a trip coming to Geneva. Really place that you should come and see. So join us on our tour. Here's the tiny little town. You can come. A lot of people come and have fondues or raclette. I'm going to show you the menu prices just so you can get an idea as to what the pricings are. And then there's a castle behind there. If you want to go visit the castle, we have some really cool footage of a medieval festival that was happening at the castle about a year ago or so when we were here. So we'll insert some of those videos so you can see those. It's really cool. I just want to come check out the menus here. I'll show you like what's on the menu here. Quiche au Gruyère.
Soup, salad, like quiche.
So I just want to clarify something. So here, where it says like fondue, and it's PP, that means per person. So it's 25 francs per person. Here, for example, you can enjoy a raclette right here with some meat and stuff, and it's like 33 francs per person. So super, super expensive, but that's just Switzerland. You can't reach?
This is how you do it. You climb on this.
And then what if you fall in? Girls, you want to show me down here?
So we're going to go up into that little castle, like that little turning thing. Let's go. Chloe's almost there, but she's going the other way. We're going to go up there. Okay, look at these stairs. Wow. Look at the pathway. It looks so small, and it becomes
Tiny
bigger.
little stairs, huh?
And these ones, they're almost broken.
Be careful.
Wow.
Filming and oh my goodness, these are really narrow stairs.
Wait, how do you get up in there?
Oh, I think you'd have to climb that. Be very careful, okay? Isn't it crazy?
I want to film you. I want to film you.
Hello, Julia, down there. Chloe, is it cool with your binoculars? Chloe?
Sometimes you can film the camera into the binoculars and then you'll see it.
What do you see? Cheese or chocolate, Angelique?
Chocolate, because I don't like cheese.
Oh. This man's making wood all by hand with this machine. Look at some of the pieces that he's made here.
What is this, Mama? Stupa. Buddha. This is from Buddha, Mama. This is from Buddha. Wherever that is.
It smells like wood from outside, but when you go inside the little chalet, it smells like raclette and fondue cheese.
Yeah, you can
It's
smell
so
delicious.
pretty.
Wow, that smells so good.
Thanks for visiting our tour of Gruyère's castle. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up.